Hey everyone, are slow downloads on Google Chrome frustrating you? In this video, we show you how to make downloads faster in Chrome so your files finish quickly and your browsing is smoother. Internet Download Manager, or IDM, is a browser extension that can boost download speeds by up to 5 times, resume broken downloads, and make it simple to download videos or audio from sites like YouTube. It works as a dedicated manager to handle all file types directly from Chrome. The purpose of IDM for Chrome is to add its download features right into the browser. This lets us capture downloads, links, speed up downloads, see recent downloads, and manage files easily without leaving Chrome. Follow along as we guide you through each step in a simple way. Even if you are new, you can follow along easily. First, open your Chrome browser. To get started, go to Extensions. Click the 3 dots in the upper right corner. Click this icon. Then, go to Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Now, we are redirected to the Extensions page. In this section, we can see all the extension that we are using on our Chrome browser. To add IDM, go to the Chrome Web Store. Once you are in the Chrome Web Store, type Internet Download Manager in the search bar. Click the free Downloader Manager option that appears. It is the Internet Download Manager extension that we are going to use. After that, you will see the Add to Chrome button. Click Add to Chrome and wait for it to load. Now, a confirmation will appear. Add this extension and wait for it to finish loading. Once it's done, you will see that it has been installed. Then click Install. Now, you can see the extension in your Extensions Manager. We can now download files faster using the Internet Downloader Manager, or IDM extension. That's it. You have added the IDM extension to Chrome. This makes it simple to download files faster and manage your downloads easily.